Ciao everyone, my name is Carlo. I'm the bar manager of Tozi restaurant and bar in Victoria, and I'm 100% Italian, and my passion is making cocktail and drink cocktail, of course. I would like to introduce today one of our best cocktails, the limited edition. It's made with the Gin del Professore, Vermouth del Professore and Campari, so it's a twist of the classic Negroni. So to make, you just need 25 ml of Campari, 25 ml of Vermouth del Professore, 25 ml of Gin del Professore. You add some ice, you stir it a bit just to melt the cocktail, and then you add the liquorice stick and the dry lemon as a garnish. Chin chin!